In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airtable Forms. Airtable Forms are a simple way to collect information and have it land directly in your base, perfectly structured and ready to use. Let's walk through building a form from scratch and watching a submission flow into your data. First, head to the Airtable website and sign in to your workspace. Once you're in, choose the base you want to work with and click Open Data. This brings you into the base where your tables live. From the top navigation, select Forms. This area is dedicated to collecting entries and tying them to a table. Choose Build It Yourself to start a new form. Next, pick the table that will store the form responses. In our example, click Students and then confirm Students again if prompted. Selecting the right table matters because each submission becomes a new row in that table. Click Create Form to open the form editor. Here, the fields you already have in the Students table appear as form questions. You can rename labels, toggle required fields, and adjust the order to make the form clear and short. Use Preview to see exactly what respondents will experience. This helps you catch confusing wording or missing fields before you share anything. When you're happy, click Publish. Airtable creates a shareable link and saves your form so responses will flow into the table you chose. Now let's try a quick test submission. In the live form, type a full name, then provide the first name and the last name in their respective fields. Add an email address, making sure it's valid. If your form includes an image field, choose Upload a Photo, click Browse Files, pick a file, and then confirm by selecting Upload one file. Keep file sizes reasonable and use common formats for best results. Click Submit to send the response. You should see a confirmation screen indicating the form was received. Finally, select View Data to jump back into your base. You'll see the new record added to the Students table with all the information neatly organized. Every future submission will appear here the same way. That's the full flow, from building to publishing to capturing a response, so you can confidently use Airtable Forms to gather clean, usable data.